Can you give some examples of brands which have a unique brand purpose?
Yeah, a lot of them actually. And Shabnam, if you just go into the internet and do a bit of quick search, there are of course the usual, uh, so-called brands who hold the flags really high within Unilever. There's brands called Lifebuoy, Dove, which have very sharply defined purpose. But let me just take out some few recent examples and my favorite brand, which is on purpose. Of course, Nike would feature in there. I think Nike has got one of the sharpest purpose of just do it. How you can hold on to the same purpose for 30-35 years. It's what brands are about. And to keep their messaging constantly relevant over generations, right? So that's about there. But I would specifically choose to speak about a very new brand. And it's a piece of communication which really inspired me, and I really thought it was a great piece of work. And I hope brand purpose is not built in a day. It's how the brands choose to stick with it. Say for example how Patagonia has done, where Patagonia defines this business as being in the business to solve the environmental issues, right? And that's how you would be surprised a business or a brand which is there into mountaineering wear or the kind of attire which they sell, but their core business principle is to ensure they solve the big environmental problems, and that's how their product lines are shaped. That's how their communication is shaped. Okay, once you're very clear about your brand purpose, everything is centered around it. Your pricing strategy, your product line, your communication. And on that, the example which I was talking of, the great piece of communication, is this brand called Truecaller, right? So I remember, installing Truecaller 6-7 years back. And what is it essentially? It's an app which kind of looks into, because of course we give access to our phone book, it kind of pulls in all our phone numbers and helps you identify unknown callers, right? But there's this recent piece of communication where, Truecaller said, the brand purpose as it is supposed to be the first line of defense of 10 crore women, of approximately 10 crore smartphone users in the country, 10 crore women, against predators by helping them identify the callers, and because of course there's this huge bit of harassment which happens on phone, you being a lady yourself, of course, and you would have gone through, unfortunately, that's part of society. I thought that was brilliant. It's truly integrated with what Truecaller is as a brand. Very interesting to see how this shapes up in the future. That's a great piece of so-called purpose, where your very existence it gets integrated to Truecaller as an app, the kind of function it has. And if they're defining themselves as the first line of defense for women, for against the predators, and I think that's how they kind of summarized it. I thought it was a brilliant piece of purpose, which truly, and purpose cannot be fake. It cannot just be something you say because this concept's called woke washing, and consumers are smart, they are well read today, they're very well connected, so they'll see through you. Okay, the first time I read that piece, I just thought it was a very, very, very honest claim of what a brand intends to do, and I hope Truecaller kinds of sticks to it for years. Very interesting of a tech brand, and I really wanted to use that example, because we of course have heard of all these the Doves, the Lifebuoys, but how a brand which is essentially an app can also choose to live with the purpose, and that's how the brand can grow. Will be very interesting to see what Truecaller does in future, but that is something which you would slowly, when you move in different directions, you will realize that every brand, whether it's the FMCG brands or the tech brands, they kind of have a purpose, and the moment it's sharply articulated, it just helps in one thing, and it just helps in the business growing very sustainably.
Okay.